It is Sushi. It's Sushi Wednesday. Y'all know we love our rolls from the store. Not only whether it's Publix or Target, it's always hitting. So we are going to go. We being, golly, it is bright out here. Jules and I. Jules, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
Hi, people. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go run and pick that sushi up really quickly for lunch, and get Jules some little chicken nuggets from the store so that we can do lunch and get this one in bed for a little nap, and get back to work. All right, Jules, I think we got everything we need, right? Yeah, right. We got something for Jules, and we got something for Mama and Papa. So we're good. So now we should be able to go check out and be done, I think. Jules, what do you think about your meal?
No.
It's okay. What do you think about your meal? Is it yummy? Oh, you dropped some on the floor?
Yeah.
But Mama's cleaning it up. Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Salmon. Crunchy. Crab.
I'm getting some more water before I inhale more. My mom's water should stay in, and my dad's vitamins.
Nice. So this is what your hair looks like when it is a content day and you got to get some hair content done. But yeah, clearly you can probably tell, but there's a braid out coming. Yeah, while I'm waiting for my hair to dry and to do the big reveal for the video, I think I will come outside and enjoy the nice weather and get some work done outside. I gotta put this umbrella up though, cause it's a little toasty out here. Ooh, toasty toast. So yeah, put this umbrella up and like I said, get back into work. Much better. Shade from the sun. So Tori has a dance recital this weekend, and Tanya took her to dress rehearsal at the theater that it is going to be at. And so I am at home with Jules, and Jules is wondering where her mother and her sister are. And I'm like, we gotta get out the house because you didn't ask me about them like 15 times, and they're not getting home for another few hours. So I had to throw on this hat so that these little chunky Felicia braids aren't as bad. Say hey to the people.
Hey, Peppa.
Hey people. You so cute. You so sweet. She ain't sweet, y'all. Don't let it fool you. She be terrorizing us on the daily. Nah, she is sweet. But she's 2. You know what they say about 2-year-olds? It's true. It's true. It's true. Something I will never get tired of is walks in my neighborhood. It is so peaceful and serene because we literally are out here living with Bambi and all of their nature friends, which, I mean, this morning I was putting snake be gone around my house, so I guess that comes with the territory. You can't have the beautiful birds and the Bambis without having the critters that you don't want to. But yeah, it's just so calm and so peaceful out here. So, loving the walks in nature. Could I rock this look without the hat? Ooh, nope. We're not there yet. Locks aren't quite long enough. But this lighting is lighting tonight, today, this afternoon. Alright y'all, so I was able to get the video done for my channel. I got 2 videos done today. One of them is a voiceover, so I will have to go back and, ooh, can't put y'all there. I will have to go back and do the actual voiceover part, but, dang, can't just put my camera up there because it's top heavy. But anyways, so I need to film a little short form content thing, like a reel, shorts, whatever, that I can put up. So I need to film that right quick, and then I'll be done for the day. So I'm gonna give y'all a little behind the scenes tour of my videos lately, since I haven't been doing them down in my studio where I normally would before, but I've been doing a lot of them in the bathroom lately. So my setup is literally a little chair right there in front of the shower. Got my chair, and then when I'm shooting my reels and stuff, I put my phone on this little tripod, and that is how we capture the magic. Just like that. So the lighting in this bathroom during the day, I mean, it's getting dark outside. It's dusk time. But during the day, the lighting in this bathroom is phenomenal. And so I'm just able to get good content, get good lighting for the content. But yeah, this is how I do my content creation, and I always use the back camera because, or I don't say always, but I typically will use the back camera because it gives me the best quality, but obviously I can't see what I'm doing. So thankfully I have this awesome Apple Watch that I use to view. So now I can see y'all can see all of that. So now on my Apple Watch, I can see what the phone sees. All right, so then I'm able to step away and do what I need to do. If I need to focus on my face or whatever, I can tap on the watch and get my little focus bar. So that is how I do that. So let me go ahead and film this little outro for the video. I gotta find something to prop y'all up on because this camera is top heavy because of this lens. All right, y'all. We're gonna get our life together and figure this out. We're just using all sorts of bathroom items to try and prop y'all up. This is probably definitely not a smart way to do this, but whatever. All right, that's just the view y'all are gonna have to have. So sorry you can't see everything, but that's all I have to give. All right, so in this video, prior to, I had shown my hair in a braid out, and it was just a quick like showing off the braids, or sorry, the braids in my hair, my locks in the braids. And so I covered the camera with my hand, and then the transition will just be me taking my hand off the camera, and then you see the results. And of course I'll put some music to it too, but that's how the magic happens. It's a real ratchet behind the scenes, but it always comes out fire when you make it into social media content, because you can splice it up the way you want to, add some music, and it just looks magical. So let me go ahead and do that right quick so I can be done. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it 1 or 2 more times so I have additional takes to work with. You know, actually, let me put this into 60 frames per second so I can slow it down if I want to and get a little slow motion moment. All right, so last time. All right, y'all, that's gonna have to do. Whether it's good or not, time will only tell. Only time will tell. Y'all, I'm tired. It's been a long day. Between work and content creation and children's and all that stuff, I'm tired. But it's been a good day. It's been a productive day. And yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming up this weekend. We have a sleepover that we agreed to. So we're having over some of the neighbors' kids for a sleepover on Friday. And then Tori has her recital on Saturday and Sunday. She's got 2 shows on Saturday, 2 shows on Sunday. I'm leading worship on Sunday. So we got a lot of stuff coming up. And we have a trip out of the country coming up in less than 2 weeks. I think we're down to 12 days now. So we got a lot of stuff coming up. Got packing and all this other stuff that needs to happen. I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get some sleep and make sure I come back a little bit fresher tomorrow.